Okay, 2022, paper 1, question 2b, part 2. So this is mixed in with looking for the areas of 3 regions and etc. But what we're prioritizing here is the kind of algebra side of it, what we did in 5th year. So this is really just solving for 3 variables. So sometimes the topics, of course, are mixed together. So all we're doing here is trying to find the 3 variables. So I'm going to group together the first 2, then I'm going to group together the second 2, and then we're going to use our 2 answers from each 2, one underneath the other. 807, 23c is equal to 879. Now, of course, you should be pausing the video and trying this yourself if you haven't done so already. It's better to do it yourself and then watch the video rather than just watching me do it, because you need to practice for yourself. So because the c's already match, I'm just going to change the signs across. Now, change the signs across is really just a lazy way of saying multiply across by -1. So they cancel, and it means that we have now gotten rid of the c's. So minus 24a, minus 6b, and minus 72, I think. Just check here on the calculator. Yeah, minus 72. Okay, so that's our first 2 done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rewrite the second one and pair that. You cancel, you have to stay with that letter then. Have to cancel the c's no matter what, but it looks like good news for us because, again, it looks like if we change the signs across or multiply by -1, the c's automatically cancel. So I have 28 take 76, so that's negative 48a. 9 take 15 is minus 6b. The c's are gone. And then 879 minus 663. So that's 216. Now, we're going to have to pair the 2 of these now. So we come down here, minus 24a minus 48a minus 6b and 216. Now, again, it looks like an easy option because we just need to change the signs across. So we so that changes to a plus, this is a plus, and this is now a minus. Okay, so they're gone. So I have minus 24 plus 48, which is 24a. And I have minus 72 minus 216. So that's minus 288. And when I divide the 24 in there, I get minus 12 as my first answer. Now, I'm going to go now and fill in. I'm going to fill in that minus 12 for the A. So I'm going to go back to either the red or the green. It doesn't matter. I'll just go ahead and do the red. Minus 24a minus 6b is equal to placing it with minus 12. So that is negative 24 by negative 12. So that's positive 288 minus 6b minus 72. So that's 288 plus 72, and that's 6b. So just add that up there. So that's 360. So that is going to divide in and give us 60. So b is 60. And to finish the question, I can pick any one I want. I'm just going to use, I think, the very first line. So I'm going to go right back to the 4a plus 3b plus 3c is equal to 807. In the place of a, I'm putting minus 12 in the place, and that's 807. So that 180 plus 3c is equal to 807. So I have minus 48 plus 180. So that's 132 plus 3c is equal to 807. So rearranging, 3c is 807 minus 132. That's 675. And we're now going to divide the 3 in. So that's 225. So C is 225. Okay.